Alright, we're back with the mechanical center. As you can see, from the previous video, when I cut the big blob off, there was all this area in here that was almost liquid. Let it sit overnight and it's hardened. As you can tell, there's a little bit of give in this in case you drop it or something. That's a good thing, but it's not perfectly level across here, but it's good enough where it will stand up, and it shouldn't have any more problems cracking or anything like that, because it filled in up around here. There's one little pea size little space right there, but that's okay. If you look down in there, you can see the cardboard, so it didn't come up around the cardboard. I could take that out if I wanted to, but don't really want to. Now, like I said, I'm going to cut a hole through the bottom for drainage. And now I'm going to put the top back on here, and we'll see how it works after all the repairs. So here's the top piece. Here's the top piece. Remember, I put the Ote stick on here. I've already drilled the holes out and touched up the paint a little bit. It's not an exact match to the paint, but it's close enough. So what I got to do is take this nut and washer off of here, off the rod that goes through the back. Try not to drop it, because I'll never find it out here. Get this nut on here, and then I'll put the rod through the side. And then we'll plug him in and make sure he still works. Let me just lay him down so I can see what I'm doing in there. Well, I'm going to pause it for a minute. Okay, I figured it out. There's a hole that goes through this bottom piece that the rod has to go through. forget this video.